Hello guys, this is Sanjeev Khurana and I welcome you all again to my channel. So as you can see me today, I am well dressed and informal. So I am right now in my college, and the person you see behind me is one of my subscriber and my junior, Ananya Thakur, and this is his bike, Bullet Classic 350 BS4 silver color. So he bought, I will not give the intro, he will give the intro himself. So over to you, Ananya. When you bought this bike?
I bought it 2 months back, and as I saw Sanjeev Bhai's channel, and I purchased this bike, and it was very good. The mileage and all I'm getting is very good and all, and the looks and all, with the alloys also the average is good, and I have my original silencer which I got. It is the stock silencer, I think so. It is the stock silencer with nets and all, and it is allowed in Chandigarh, so you can have a look at the sound and all.
So Ananya haven't changed the silencer yet. He has done the modifications. He have this thing. He have the. So Ananya have the grill protectors, and he doesn't have that light protector. I don't know why he has removed this thing, and done the modifications on the Bullet, on the rims also, and he have changed the rims. So now I'll start with the silencer part. I will show you the sound of stock silencer of Classic 350.
A few moments later.
Now I'll drive this bike and I'll tell you whether you should change your silencer or not. As you can see, the sound is coming. So I'll drive this bike and I'll show you. So now I'll drive this bike and I'll show you how this is effective and whether you should change your silencer or not. So I'll drive it. Guys, I have driven this bike, and you will be getting this stock silencer from Ari showroom, but it's only up to you whether you wanted to change your silencer or not. Modifications, mostly people do modifications, for better look, so it's totally up to you whether you wanted to change or you wanted to modify your silencer. As my friend Ananya, he have done modifications. He have changed the alloy wheels, and he have this thing. And but the point is, he haven't changed the stock silencer yet. Maybe he wanted to change and he's not getting that accurate one. So this was my short video on the original silencer, original sound of stock silencer of Classic 350. And I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then press the thumbs up button and subscribe my channel. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Ride safe. Bye bye.